Got error 0xc00007b crashing your PC, trying to launch a game or app, and boom, this error just wrecks your vibe? Don't toss your keyboard yet. I've got a 100% working fix coming at you in just 2 minutes. Plus, stick around to the end for a secret step. Tons of you hit me up on Telegram saying it worked like a charm. Let's dive in and squash this error. This error pops up when Windows is missing DLL files or has a 32-bit, 64-bit compatibility issue. Sounds like a headache? No stress, I've got simple steps to wipe it out. First, Google Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable. Download and install both the x86 and x64 versions for 2015 through 2022, right from Microsoft's official site. Next, search for .NET Framework on Microsoft's website. Install the latest version, 4.8 or higher. Right-click your game or app and choose Run as administrator. If that doesn't do it, go to Properties, click Compatibility, and set it to Windows 8 or 7. Now, here's the secret step you all on Telegram raved about. Open Windows Security, head to Virus and Threat Protection, then Scan Options. Select Microsoft Defender Offline Scan and run it. Your PC will restart and scan for hidden issues messing with your apps. And that's it. Your error 0xc00007b should be gone. If this worked, hit that like button and comment "Fixed" below. Still stuck? Drop a comment and I'll sort you out. Want more PC hacks? Smash subscribe, turn on notifications, and share this with your crew. Let's keep those PCs running like a dream.